about my house insurance. It's gone up 300% since 2015. And see, I've had multiple fires here. And like, as I've documented previously, the whole front of the house apparently was destroyed. And they must have had insurance. And it's all replaced with Home Depot windows. And you know, the floor, as I've shown you, was destroyed probably when they put out the fire. And so the insurance apparently didn't help. And as I documented earlier, my insurance has gone up a lot, 300%, for no apparent reason. And so I mailed, and the person's not there. They already left long ago. They leave at 2:30. So I called. So I'm on hold. And we'll see how it goes. I don't know. I want to keep at least the minimum insurance, even
I'm
though.
going to transfer you right now.
Okay, thank you. Even though.
Hmm?
Yeah, sure. Even though, see, insurance, it's a scam. The whole thing's a scam. Just like the medical insurance is even a bigger scam. But this is a big scam. It's unfortunate.
Thank you so much for holding. This is Carmen. How are you today?
Oh, great, Carmen. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. My colleague tells me that you have a few questions about your policies.
I noticed that, that my premium has gone up 300%, recently. And that's pretty steep, a pretty steep climb. And my funds are a bit limited, going forward. So, because I'm so old, I'm retired and stuff. And I was wondering, what I could do to lower the premium to get like a basic, insurance policy. Would you be able to help me with that?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's see here. It was for your homeowner's policy?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Okay, perfect. Let's see here. Okay, so I do see it did increase by 22%. It looks like the dwelling and personal property coverage was increased just to ensure that your home is properly covered in the event of a loss. Let's see here, I do see you have a high deductible for possible savings there. Let me just take a deeper look to see if there's anything else we can do. Alrighty, so I was able to go ahead and add an additional discount. I was able to find savings of $313.27. So I'll go ahead and apply that onto your policy.
Yeah, but could you explain why it's gone up 300% since 2015?
Yeah, so there's been a few rate increases that's happened. A lot of the rates have gone up, especially after all of the fires that happened in Los Angeles.
I'm in San Francisco.
And then I see
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I know, but it's just due to all of the claims that were made back when those fires were happening, it caused a lot of rate increases across California. So even if you did have a clean claims record, no claims open, everyone's insurance increased, including mine. Everybody's in California, so they all increased.
Yeah, but mine's
So
increased 300%. That's 3 times in 10 years.
Yes.
Yeah, is that normal for everybody? Because that doesn't seem normal.
It is. Yes, it is. Especially right after all those fires happened in Los Angeles, that's when we saw the biggest increase.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
So everybody's policy has gone up 300% since 2015, is what you're saying.
Yes, some even more.
Even more. Yeah, but I'm talking about San
Yeah,
Francisco, right? San
unfortunately.
Francisco.
Yes.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah, so the rates have definitely increased. I do completely understand the frustration. I mean, even for me, the rates have increased, so it's definitely not fun seeing that increase once you receive the policy documents. I completely understand
So
how
basically the
frustrating this
insurance
is.
system is basically collapsing then is what you're saying. I mean, to have a 300%, I mean, this is supposed to be, controlled, right? I mean, it's not supposed to be, you know, be able to increase this much. So you're saying the whole system is about to collapse
It's not about to collapse, but these increases had to be made
for
over the
for
past
because
few
the because the system
years.
has collapsed is what you're saying. I mean, this is incredible. I mean, this is it's not the insurance is not sustainable. I mean, by in 4 years, my insurance would have been $23,000 a year in San Francisco. You think that's it's reasonable?
For the recent policies and with the recent rate increases, yes, this is something that's been going on across all California with many policies, with many home policies.
Right. So you say that's reasonable, and that's what we're going to get, is what you're saying. Out of all
Yes.
state, that's what we're going to get. Yeah. Because I don't have a mortgage or anything. I mean, I don't really need the insurance, and I doubt you guys would actually even help me, in the event anything really happened.
Yeah, no, I do completely understand how frustrating this may be. I was able to find an additional $313 in savings, which I will go ahead and apply that to your policy. Of course, it is completely up to you whether you choose to have home insurance or not. I it's always great to have just in case in the event of a loss, but
The
it is
what?
of course up
The
to you.
It's up to me. I know. That's totally up to me.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, because I posted on Nextdoor and nobody else here is having the same increases. And I looked at like, oh, I don't know, AAA, and their increases have only been 6.9% per year.
Have you been quoted with AAA?
No, no, no. I've just been, looking because I've been, really realizing that my insurance rates have been out of control. And so I've been looking and talking to other people and, looking to see what else is available.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I completely agree. That's something I would do as well, is just look around, see if what the price range is at with everybody. I would say right now, Aussie's not currently writing any more homes. We are at capacity. I do know a lot of carriers
So you're saying
are
it's
in the same
collapsed. So
situation
you're
where they
saying,
are
right.
at
So you're saying
capacity.
the insurance system has collapsed, is what you just said. You can't even write any more policies. The whole system has collapsed.
We're just at capacity. We plan to
Capacity.
open pretty soon,
You can't. So you can't
as
even
of right
issue
now.
anymore. Yeah, that's right. You can't even issue anymore. Yeah. Okay. Great. So, well, let me think about this. I'll call you tomorrow and make a payment. Uh, I
Oh,
probably will, but let me think about it and and make this video
yeah,
about
no worries. And I
about
will
it.
apply the discount for you, okay?
Okay. And your name was
Carmen.
Carmen, right? Okay. Great. Thank you. Nice talking to you, Carmen. Thank you.